So we're in Hermosa Beach, California. We're a block to the beach. And you know, even though I work here every day, every once in a while, something pops up in the city that you just don't notice. And this is certainly one of those places. The SW Boutique Hotel has a surprise, and it's this, where I'm standing right here, the rooftop deck. It's the most incredible venue I've ever seen before. I just counted the seats on this couch. It fits 50 people on one couch. But not only that, this boutique hotel, every single room is unique. It has its own design. Some of them have little kitchenettes. It's one of the most incredible pop-up places I've ever seen come to the city of Hermosa Beach. And like I said, it's less than 1 block to the beach, a block to downtown. Actually, it's in the heart of downtown. Whether you're coming here to have a venue on the top of this roof with your office, a birthday party, a wedding, whatever it is, it's really one of the coolest venues I've ever seen in the South Bay. And who better to be able to really explain the greatness of this property? Today we have the Director of Sales and Special Events here, Mark, who I want to introduce you to really quick. And there he is. So, Mark, thanks for having me up here on the deck.
Absolutely, thanks for being here.
I mean, I couldn't believe when I saw this place for the first time, but I have to ask you, you know, this thing popped up out of nowhere in Hermosa Beach. There's not a venue like this in town. What kind of guests are you getting here now? I mean, who's staying at the hotel and who comes up here to take advantage of this deck?
Yeah, you know, I meet so many interesting people here every day, to be honest with you. Guests that are just in town for business or passing through on vacation.
Yeah.
Kind of hear a lot of the same thing, in that people are kind of shocked by the space. I'd say the most pleasing is when it's someone who lived in Hermosa Beach,
Right.
who they're coming back after so many years, and they just love seeing this. And they share their stories about the old Sharky's days and, you know, these wonderful places that have been here for a while. But like you said, the space is super unique.
Well, I love what the owner did, you know, to keep the kind of the character of Hermosa Beach and keep this boutique feel to it, right? Because, you know, we as a city, I think we fight to keep tradition and historical aspects of the city, and I think it really did a great job of maintaining that kind of small town feel. Are you finding locals come down here to stay too?
100%. You know, very satisfying to, you know, half of my site visits and tours are with the dog on leash,
Yeah.
right? Meaning someone just kind of walked by and they've been meaning to drop in. Always happy when they do. Lots of locals.
So share a little bit about this deck, because this thing is freaking amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, to be honest with you, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know how many fire pits.
And we have over 10 fire pits.
I think I counted to fit 50 people on this couch.
At least on the couch alone. Yeah, we're equipped 1,800 square feet up here alone. That's not to include all of our indoor event space.
So is it just guests that stay here, or can anyone rent this out? How does it work up here?
Well, essentially, guests do learn about the space and they spend a weekend up here, and they don't hesitate to
Hang out?
you know, hang out, but lock in a future date for an event. You know, a lot of people do pass through LA quite a bit.
Right.
But the private event space is for anyone, small gathering or large, 10 people to up to 100.
Okay.
And it does require a minimum 1-night stay.
Yep.
So, you know, for birthdays, a lot of celebratory reasons, we actually quite often offer a room at no cost for the host or the birthday boy or girl.
So what's the average room rate, or a range, not the average, but the range of room rates for a 1-night stay at a room here?
Yeah, you know, the going rate around the beach is definitely more than what we are charging right now. We've just opened a few months ago.
Okay.
And obviously rates do fluctuate a bit, but our penthouse, you know, on average, you can lock in a room there if you do it on time, around $400 or $500.
Yep.
The average, you know, room that would sleep 4, around the same price. We have rooms that are a bit smaller, but just beautiful. They're all super unique, ranging around $300.
$300.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Sure is.
I mean, hotels
Get
today,
this with that.
Honestly, most hotels, you travel, my travels, at least the ones my wife picks out, they're like $1,000 a night.
Absolutely.
So to get this beach, this location, and this cool venue, that's an incredible deal.
There's really nothing like it, you know, and like I do tell guests, you know, welcome to Hermosa Beach.
Yeah.
It's really not just SW Hotel, but you know, one thing I'm proud of that I think is critical for, you know, the guest experience as well is just the relationship that we have with all these local businesses. And, you know, I personally enjoy standing up here and recommending dinner and drinks and get to know people.
Amazing.
You know.
Perfect. One last question. If somebody wanted to see the inside of the rooms online, is that possible? And what
Absolutely, yeah. Just directly to our website. I recommend booking directly through our website as well. It's SW Beach Hotel.
SW Beach Hotel.
Yep,
Perfect.
swbeachhotel.com. It's very clear. The check-in process is very easy. You know, when people get here, they are already checked in actually, and they have access codes to the room,
Oh, wow.
and they can just start their vacation. No hassle.
All right. Any rooms available tonight? I'll take one.
Yeah, we got one available. You can go take a look at it if you'd like.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for joining us up here on the rooftop deck to enjoy, I think, in about 20 minutes, the sunset over the Hermosa Beach Pier. Thanks for watching.